Hey guys, Shifter here. Welcome back to yet again another video, and today I'm going to be going over exactly how you can get free virtual credit cards. A lot of people have asked me to make a brand new updated video for 2024, so I'm here to deliver. What else I'm delivering is great content, so I highly recommend subscribing and liking the video. But anyways, let's go and jump right into it. To start out this video, I do want to go over the two types of virtual credit cards. There's going to be one that falls under KYC or Know Your Customer, and there's the one that pretty much avoids all of this. So Know Your Customer is pretty much something where a lot of banks need this in order for them to do business with you. I'll go over a few, and I'm going to go over some that do not require this, just in case you are looking to do something else. But let's jump into the first one, which is going to be Cash App. And a lot of people do not consider this a virtual credit card, but the best part about this is I found a way where you're able to use it in that manner. So let's check it out. But it's very important that you do make a brand new account for this method, and you want to sign up with the link down in the description below, or the code. It's going to be DR918W7, and that pretty much allows you to get $5 when you send $5 to a friend or family member. It's really easy to put in the code. It has to be a brand new account. Head up to the top right, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and enter the code. It's only for brand new accounts. But now that you got a free $5, let's hop right into the method. Head over to the second to left tab right here, and it's going to allow you to get a cash card. Pretty much this is going to be virtual. As you can see, I can use this online. I can copy the numbers, and it's really helpful. But the reason why you want to do this on a brand new account, sometimes I'll have a balance on here, but they could not charge you if you do not have a balance, and that's the best part about it. You could use this as a VCC. The only downside about this method is you have to have this in your name, so you can't just change it to Jack Smith or whatever name you want. You have to have it in your legal name because it may ask you for your SSN. Another downside about this is it is only US and UK exclusive, so I will show you another method on how to get more VCCs, but this one is a great option just in case you are looking to get a virtual credit card, and if you are under 13, this could be a really good method. But let's jump into the next one. The next one is going to be Step. This is another banking app very similar to Cash App, but it does allow you to have a virtual credit card, and you can use this pretty much wherever you go. But the only downside, like I said before, this is going to be US exclusive, and it does only allow you to use your name. Just in case you are trying to make brand new PayPal accounts or other types of accounts, you will need to make sure to have this in your legal name. But other than that, it is a great way to have a virtual card. The only downside is you have to keep making brand new accounts, and I do not recommend holding a balance on any of these because you will get charged if it does have a balance, but if it doesn't, they're not going to reach into your bank account, which is great. The next one is really good. It's going to be CVC Wallet, and it's really helpful, especially if you are looking for virtual credit cards in whatever name you want. It could be in your parents' name, it could be pretty much anyone, which is great, especially if you are looking for new accounts or trying to link it up to other things. This is what I find it to be very helpful with. You can reload the card. So let me show you guys inside of the dashboard. Make sure to sign up with the link below. It does help me out. Once you sign up, you'll be brought toward this dashboard. You want to click on deposit. They have a few options to deposit. The only downside with this is if you do not have crypto, then you can't really make one of these VCCs. But I will say the upside is, since you can put it in whatever name you want, that could be a very big factor on if you want to go with this one. But we already covered Cash App and Step that are only US exclusive, and this works pretty much in any country that you want, so keep that in mind. Taking a deeper look at it, it looks like they did remove the crypto options, so they do have Payoneer, Skrill, Perfect Money, and so on. So you can also do a bank transfer as well, but obviously I have used this in the past, and their VCCs are pretty legit, so big shout out to CVC Wallet. Very helpful. For the last one on our list, we do have Privacy.com, and this is pretty much one that everyone uses. They are US exclusive, so keep that in mind when trying to use privacy. But you can see right here that they have a bunch of different options. You can have single-use cards, you can have cards for specific merchants, you can have monthly spending cards, and so on. So there's a lot of control over it, but you will have to give them your SSN and connect a bank account. So if you are not comfortable with it, you may want to go with some of the other options. This is a great option, especially since they do have an extension though, and it's very convenient. They have a mobile app too. I highly recommend checking out Privacy as well. But anyways, that's pretty much it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed and were able to go ahead and pick between those 4 options I have given you. Those are the ones that I pretty much have tried out and I know to actually work. But I'll see you guys next time on the next video for Shift Rate Reviews. Bye.